Okay, what is up, guys? I know I haven't been on the channel and for like a really long time, so this is gonna be something new today. Today we're gonna be cooking deer tenderloin, and I'm gonna show y'all how to cut and prepare it, different stuff like that. And so let's get right into it. So what we went ahead and did was we soaked it overnight with water, and we let all the blood drain out of it, but that's just your preference. So over here we are actually taking this and we're cutting the fat off of it. As you can see, I've already started on some pieces, but you want to cut very close to the edge to preserve most of the meat you can. But anyway, so that's about as big of a piece you're going to get, and then you're just going to take it right back over here. Grab another piece. See this white part right here? This is not what you want. So you're going to take it, get really close, then you're just going to kind of scissor away at it. Then loose parts like that right there, you will just kind of disregard. See how I'm doing small slices? This is about what you need. Then sometimes you'll run into some gristle, but that's about the size meat you're supposed to get and you're gonna get. You're gonna lay that over there to be tenderized, and then on to the cooking process. So if you don't have a meat tenderizer, you could just simply use a plate. Just take it and go. Just turn it over. Then that's pretty much your tenderized piece of meat right there. And now you're ready for seasoning, flour, whatever you want to do. Now let's cook it up. The ingredients that we're using in this video is Tuscan garlic by Tones. It's a very, very good seasoning. Some black pepper, not black powder. And that just to give it some extra flavor. So the Lowry's seasoned salt. And then some garlic and salt, just to give it that, tinge of, like bittersweet. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you back on the next video. Okay, so this is the final product right here. This and this. But, we're just gonna go ahead and take a bite to see how it tastes. It tastes amazing. Only seasoning one side. Best thing you could do. It doesn't overpower it. And I think that's what makes it great. So, see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day.